So the first session is create and apply styles in the document. Here we have to study two things. First, what are styles, and second, what are the categories in the word processor in styles tab. So basically, styles in word processor, they help us to beautify our document, to give a professional look to our document. We can format the content according to our choice. We can use the built-in styles and themes. We can change the color, indentation, alignment, font size. All these things we can do in the style section of the word processor. So for this, we have the styles tab. So when we will click on the styles tab, then we will find all these 6 categories over there. So this is the interface of your LibreOffice. When you click it for the first time, then you will get this type of window. So we are studying digital document. So we will click on this write a document. So when you will click on this write a document, you will find a blank document that will open. So you have to click on this styles button or tab. Then you can find all the styles that are mentioned: paragraph, character, frame, page, list and table. So paragraph, basically it will format the whole paragraph. You want to change the color, alignment or size, anything. But if you want to work on individual characters, you don't want all the text to change, you just want few characters, then individual character setting can be applied with the help of this character style. Then with the help of frame style, whatever images or graphics you are inserting, you can format or modify that. Then in page style, you can add header, footers, backgrounds. All these things we can do. Then the list style, it is customized for presenting the information in the form of list. You can apply bullets, numbers, indentations to your document. Then the table style basically it is used to add lines and shading to the table cells. Okay, so if you want your content in the form of a table, then for that we have this table style. So we have this styles and formatting window. In the screenshot you can see, like I have shown in the software, this is the styles tab that you have to click and this window will open, and these are the various style options present. So basically you can divide your text into various sections like headings, subheadings, then the content or the body of the text. So all these things you can format using the various styles. So generally there are 3 steps if you want to apply a particular style to your paragraph or your text. Then there are basically 3 steps. First, suppose I have written some text, hello, how are you? This is the text that I have typed. Now if I want to apply any style, then I will just select it. Then I want to increase the size, then I can increase the size from here. I can change the color if I want. I can change the color. I want to make it bold. I'm making it bold. Then here you can find the various options. So default style is there. Now suppose I want to select a style from here, caption. So here I want this drawing style. So simply I will double click on it, and you can see now the previous setting has changed because you have applied inbuilt style. So the settings that you have made are gone. Now if you want to change, then also you can do it. You can increase the font, then you can change the color. All these things you can do. Then fill format option. This fill format option is used to apply style to many different areas quickly. You don't have to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. Okay, so this is very useful when there are a lot of content in your paragraph and you need to format the many scattered areas in them. So for this we have this option. Now to use this fill format mode, first I will select whatever style I want from this. Suppose I want this text style. I will click on this text style. Then I will click on fill format mode. Now instead of selecting the text, I can quickly apply this to, I will just apply it and you can see this is applied. Now suppose I don't want to apply this effect over here, so I will leave it, and I want to apply it from here, so I'll just click over here, drag it and then leave it. So you can see that this is applied to whole paragraph. Even if you will start from the middle, then also it will be applied to whole paragraph only, because here paragraph setting is selected or paragraph style is selected. So this is the use of this, and if you want to exit from fill format mode, then again you have to click on it. The next option that we have to study is creating and updating new styles from selection. So this was that you can use the predefined styles in the LibreOffice. You can also create your own styles. So you can create your own style from various options. So one is that you can create a new style from the selection option. So what you have to do is, simply you will go to your LibreOffice, and then whatever document or whatever style you want, you will just click on your document. Suppose you want it bold, you want the color to be red, and the size you want 18, and you don't want it italic. So this is the style. Okay, now you want this style to be added in the style gallery. So after selecting the style, you can change the font. Suppose I am changing the style over here, any one you can select from here. Okay, suppose this I have selected. Now this is the style, my style. I want this style to appear in this style gallery. So here I will click on this option, new style from selection. So here I will give my style name. Suppose I type the style name as my style 1. So this is the name that I have given. You can give any name. Then you have to click OK. After adding it, you can see that it is showing over here. Now if you want to use it, then simply you will click on this text, and then you will double click on my style. When you will double click on my style, you can see that the style you have created is showing in this gallery, and you can also use it in further documents. Next, update a style. After adding this style, you have to update it also. Update the selected style. Whatever style you have created, that style has to be updated in the gallery. So here you will click update. So it will be updated in the styles gallery. Then if you have to load a style from template or another document, then what are the steps for that? Now suppose you want to use this style into another document. You want to load this style into another document. So what I'll do is, I'll just delete all the text. This is the style that you have created. So we'll just save it. You can either press Ctrl S, or you can click on file and save. So I'll just save it on the desktop. I'll name it as doc1. So the file extension for LibreOffice file is .odt. So you should know this. Now this is the file that I have saved. It contains the style that I have created. Now I will open new document, text document. For that I can do Ctrl N also. Then I can type some text. This is IT class. Now you want this formatting on your new document. You have to load it. So for this you will go in this plus sign, and then you will click on load style. Then from file, from which file you want to load the content. So from, then it will give you the files. So we have saved the document in doc1. So we will click on doc1. Then we'll click on open. So when you will click on open, it will be loaded. From where you can see, you have added it in, because this is the text. So you will see that my style is over here. It is loaded now. And then you will double click on this style. As soon as you will double click, the style is loaded. So this is loading a style from one document into another. Now why it is showing in text? It is showing in text because you can see over here, when you were doing this from file, so there are certain check boxes. So whatever checkbox you will click, in that section your style will be added. So because I have ticked on text, that is why I can find my style in the text, my style 1. Okay. Then next option that we have to study is applying styles. So the styles and formatting window, it includes your complete set of tools for styles. So one way I have taught you that you can click on the tab. Also one option is there, you can click on view, styles and formatting. You can go in view, then styles. So then also this tab will be opened. If this tab is not already present over here, then you can go click on view, style, then it will be opened. So this was all for session 1. In the next video, we'll continue with this.